Ross, Master Plumber at the Denver branch Roto-Rooter, where we serve residential, commercial, and industrial since 1935. As a full-service plumbing company, we serve your toughest drain, plumbing, and water cleanup issues. Our technicians offer water damage mitigation, pipe and sewer line repairs, water heater repairs, drain cleaning, toilet repairs, and more common plumbing issues that you can find in Denver. We know Denver's unpredictable weather causes temperatures to swing from mild to freezing, putting all of your plumbing systems under constant stress. We've seen our mineral-rich water supply cause hard water buildup inside our plumbing systems and pipes, and many older neighborhoods in Denver still have aging sewer lines such as clay, prone to root intrusion, offsets, breaks, and backups. Our plumbers tailor our services to meet and resolve whatever issues you're experiencing. We serve all Denver neighborhoods, including Capitol Hill, Cherry Creek, Highlands, Rhino, Wash Park, and Staple, including cities like Boulder, Golden, Morrison, Centennial, Colorado Springs, Woodland Park. Roto-Rooter professionals are backed by the cutting-edge training and technology of a trusted national brand and run by local experts. We are fully licensed and insured. Our plumbers go through Roto-Rooter's rigorous training as well as continuing education. That's why Roto-Rooter is America's #1 provider of residential, commercial, and industrial plumbing and drain services, and why Roto-Rooter has been earning your business since 1935. We believe service starts with trust, and that means clear communication, upfront pricing, and reliable scheduling. We know plumbing problems don't wait. Our emergency plumbers are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, with the reputation and reliability that Denver counts on. Let us show you why we've been your trusted plumbing partner since 1935.